Hi everybody, Michelle here with Unicorn Spit. Of course, you can find me at www.unicornspit.com. You can also find me on Facebook. We have a page, so give me a like, and we also have a group, so come and join our Unicorn Spit family. Today, I'm here to show you something really neat and super awesome. It's called fractal burning. My friend Rob McAllister over at Angry Nimbus sent me some samples of some birchwood that he has done the electrocution to, as I like to call it, in order for me to color it and turn them into food-safe cutting boards. So follow along with me as I show you how to make cutting boards that are vibrant and colorful.